Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can disable the telemetry services in Windows 11. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to privacy and security. From here click on diagnostics and feedback and turn off the send optional diagnostic data. Now delete the diagnostic data from here. Once deleted, in the search box here, search for advertising and hit enter. Go to the first option and turn off all these options you see here. Now search for services and open it. From here, find the connected user experiences and telemetry service. Double click on it. Set the startup type to disabled and stop the service if it is running and save the change. Now close the services window and restart your computer and the job is done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.